In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage on eToro. Leverage lets you control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, which can magnify both gains and losses. Use it thoughtfully and make sure you understand how it affects your exposure and potential risk before you place a trade. First, pick the asset you want to trade. You can choose from stocks, indices, commodities, forex pairs, or cryptocurrencies, depending on what's available in your region. Open the Assets page so you're ready to place an order from there and see the trading options clearly. Next, click Trade, then choose whether you want to buy or sell. Buy means you're going long and expect the price to rise. Sell means you're going short and you expect the price to fall. This choice sets the direction of your leveraged position and determines how price movements will impact your result. In the trade window that opens, look for the leverage option. It's usually displayed as a multiplier, like X1, X2, X5, and so on. X1 means no leverage and you're taking a non-leveraged position. Higher numbers mean you're using leverage, typically through a CFD for that asset. The maximum leverage available can vary by instrument and by regulations in your country, so you may see different options depending on what you're trading. Tap Leverage and select the level you want. For example, choosing X2 doubles your market exposure relative to your invested amount, while X5 multiplies it by 5. Keep in mind that while your potential profit scales up, your potential loss can also scale just as quickly, and leveraged CFD positions can incur overnight funding costs if held beyond the trading day. Pick the multiplier that aligns with your risk tolerance and the asset's volatility. Now enter your trade amount. This is the capital you're putting into the trade, not the total exposure. The platform will display the calculated exposure based on the leverage you chose, along with any relevant details like the required margin. Take a moment to review these numbers so they match your intention and you're comfortable with the size of the position. When everything looks right, confirm by selecting Open Trade. Your order will be placed with the leverage setting you chose, and the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor performance and manage it as market conditions change. That's it. You picked an asset, chose buy or sell, set the leverage, entered your amount, and confirmed open trade. Keep leverage conservative as you learn, and always double-check your exposure before you commit.